अलादीन का चिराग. Hello and welcome to my channel, guys. This is Tanisha. I hope you guys are doing really well. For more fun, self-care and styling videos, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for all the people who are new here. And as you know that I've made a lot of videos before when I included the makeup hacks, and I thought why not just try the fashion hack videos, because these videos that I'm going to include in this video are the ones from Instagram Reels, basically Instagram, and all, like I picked up the ones which are very trendy. So I just want to see that, you know, there are a lot of fashion hacks, but we don't know whether it can be applicable in real life or not. So I just want to see how relatable these are and just try them out, because the ones that I've selected are the ones which are very much on trend right now, like the underbust top and the drawstring effect and all of that. So I'm really curious to try them out. I have picked up all the like kind of top hacks or t-shirt hacks, you can say, and there are a lot of them which I am dying to try out, especially the balloon sleeves and all of that. Let's see how it all turns out. Fingers crossed, like let's see how it goes.
Their fingers crossed.
So let's do this easy DIY crop top, like a v-neck crop top. Okay, so let's see what she's doing. Okay, so she just flipped it all over and then she wore it. Oh my god, I actually know a perfect top that I can use for this video for sure. I have to try it. Like this black top, I can. Okay guys, so this is the top that I'm going to use for this hack, and let's see, like what did she do? She took it out from one side, and then basically we have to fold it over. So
what she did was she flipped it on overnight and then flip it on
over like this. Oh my god. Okay. Then stop with this. Then, oh my god. I don't know, it isn't staying up. That's what the problem is. It isn't staying up. It looks, otherwise the look has turned out to be so damn pretty. Next up is the scarf hack. Wow, I just love it, and especially the scarf that she has chosen. Wow, I love the print of it, the floral print. Wow, I'm going to use the dupatta from my mother's wardrobe. I do not have any scarf. Like, I have a scarf, but it's like very small. It cannot be used for the top. Let's try it out. And I'm going to use this chain. This chain already has like this circle, this ring kind of a thing. So this will give us a very good grip. Like, yeah, ow.
Let's try again.
Pass it on like this. Yeah, this material is okay. So now she made like two big knots over here. I think so it will work better for people who are like small chested, or maybe when you are wearing it, you need to be very sure about the kind of undergarments that you're using. Otherwise, I love this thing, and I love the way it turned out with my chain particularly. So I actually kind of liked it. Like wow, this is a very pretty top that I can wear. Also, I'm loving how my hair is behaving today. Let's see for how long does it behave. Like
Your hair is beautiful, Beverly. Oh.
this. So next up we are going to do this hack, and okay, she's acting a little bit in the, I guess this is the 5-minute hacks. Yeah, it has to be, like they act so much. And yeah, ऐसे तो कभी मेरे ऊपर भी देखने के लिए. Okay, whatever it is. So she's taking a scarf or a like a long big piece of cloth, and then she's passing this ring. I think so I have a ring like this. Oh, very easy. I don't know. Let's see if it slips or something like that. I am not very sure. We have to try this out. From the back, like this. And then, like we need to have a ring. I have a similar ring, like a very similar ring. This is the ring. I'm going to pass it on like. Ow! Oh my god. Wait. Ouch! This is this energy. Rub it all in. Like this. Final look is. This is how it has turned out to be. I kind of liked it. It actually covered the whole body, and just the thing is that the material should not be very. With the help of a string, oh my god, I think so. I need to take a shoelace or something. She's tying it all up and then just making a V-neck along with it. This is pretty nice. Wow, this is really nice. I don't know if I have a normal tee like this available with me right now or not. Let's use the same top that I used before. Use the same top, and I have the string over here. It's not the string, it is the shoelace because I cannot find anything else. So now what she does is she just has to pass it on like this. And then just wait. Like so. Okay, so that's how it is. Changed the whole mood of the top. I loved it. Honestly, guys, like, see, you just need to have a good string and not a shoelace or something like that. This is also not very much shown because if you wear black on black, it's not going to be fun, dude. I am so curious to try this on. So this is a little bit longer video. I'm just going to edit it and show you in bits. She's going to make pleats, okay, and then she's passing it out, and then in the end she's going to add a rubber band. But I have to find the rubber band. Yeah, that's what the main problem is. The rubber band is the problem. Where do I find it? Also, she's using a black rubber band. I really want to use the rubber band of that same color. I'm thinking to go with a very dark color top so that it turns out to be good. So I have this top up here, this is turtleneck, and so what she did is that she's making pleats, okay? So we have to make pleats so that it turns out to be very neat and we get those beautiful pleats and draping in the sleeves itself. So I'm just going to do this. Not a big task it is. Okay, fine. This is the one side and this is it out. Oh my god, creates like a funda, bro. Not finding the black rubber bands. We have these scrunchies. I will try to hide it. So let's. And now I'm going to put it on this. I did it. It's like Aladdin ka chirag, all in and kind of make it feel like it's attached and not separate. It looks actually very pretty. There's something ethnic. I can add up sleeves like this. It actually looks very nice. Oh my god, I just really want to play with it. That's it, guys. That's the end of the video. I really enjoyed trying it all out, and few of them worked out so well, and few of them were very, very pretty, to be honest. And I don't know if I'm going to wear them outside or not. Maybe the drawstring one and the t-shirt hacks, like the initial hacks, that I can try. So I really had a good time. I hope you guys enjoyed as well. Let me know down in the comment section below what all other hacks you want me to try, or you can literally send me DM on my Instagram account and tell me to try them out. So I will make a part 2 of it as well. So if you like the video, then like, share and subscribe. And also, do not forget to check me out on my Instagram account. I've been creating a lot of fun styling videos, and a lot of aesthetics is going on my Instagram account. So do go and watch there, and also a lot of funny reels. So go and check that out, and I'll see you until next time.